Okay, this is stock number 4-61L. This is a 2006 Honda Odyssey EX-l. Had it running about 20 minutes or so now. Motor seems like it's very good. This is the variable cylinder management, the VCM one that shuts off the cylinders at cruising speed. It's got the eco mode in it and everything. We got right rear and rear damage on this thing. It got stove pretty hard. I cannot drive it because of that, but I did bump the transmission and it did bump forward and backwards just fine. It's just trying to drag the butt because nothing's turning. Not really too much else to speak of for damage. All the power accessories work. There's no check engine light on in this thing. Tiny bit high on the miles. We got 237, 445. But yeah, motor and transmission I'm going to say are good. I know the motor's good. And the transmission, as far as I can see, you know, with the limited stuff that I can do with it, it looks like it's okay too.